Welcome to Case Series. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more courtroom drama.
Next, position 11, Trenton Hart Phelps and Jamesia Barrett. Okay. Okay. Can I have you remove your, turn on your camera, and both of you raise your right hands, please. Oh, wait a minute. Miss Barrett, your right hand, please. Okay, now the camera seems to have gone off.
Oh, that was the wrong young lady. This is Miss Barrett that's in now. She needs to turn her camera on and unmute.
Okay.
Welcome back to the courtroom. Folks, today's case is a masterclass in excuses, irresponsibility, and what happens when a parent thinks child support is optional. We're dealing with Trenton Hart Phelps, a man who has somehow convinced himself that paying child support isn't about consistency, but about convenience. His ex, Job Barrett, has been left to carry the load while he hides behind the excuse of an unreliable contractor job. But here's the kicker. He doesn't just owe a couple $1,000s. He's behind by over $113,000. That's not a slip-up, that's a mountain of neglect. As the judge breaks this case down, watch how Trenton's excuses unravel, how Gia's patience finally shows its limits, and how the hammer of justice comes down in a way he never saw coming. Stick around, because this isn't just about child support. It's about accountability, freedom, and what happens when the court stops playing nice.
I'm sorry.
Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm sorry, Mr. Phelps, if you could raise your hand again. Do you swear that the testimony that you're about to present is the truth and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury?
Yes.
Okay, I need both of you to audibly respond.
Yes.
Okay, so
It's the long one upstairs in the workroom. I'm sorry, my computer's gonna die.
oh, no problem. Okay, so Mr. Phelps, I show that you made a very small payment. December 4th. What is going on with child support? You have a low child support obligation, $362 a month. So what is the issue? Why isn't that getting?
And here it comes, the infamous "it's not my fault" defense. Notice how Trenton instantly shifts responsibility away from himself, pointing at his contractor as if his child should be held hostage to someone else's payroll schedule. This is classic deflection. Judges hear it every day, and parents on the other end live it every month. The irony here is simple. He claims he has no control, yet the court reminds him of the obvious. He does have control. He could find another job, pick up a side hustle, or restructure his priorities. Instead, he'd rather gamble with contempt of court.
I have no control when my contractor pay me. When my contractor pay me, I will pay the remaining from last month and this month. If you check the payments, that's what's been going on. I've been paying whenever my contractor pay me. I have no control on when he pays me. So when he pays me,
you do have control. You have control that you can get another job.
I don't pay myself.
No, you get another job.
No. I wait on my contractor.
Listen carefully. This is where Trenton digs himself deeper. By insisting he waits on his contractor, he exposes his complete lack of urgency. Parenting doesn't wait for payday. Rent, food, school supplies. None of that gets paused until your boss feels generous. The judge points out the obvious. Find a better paying job or a second one. But instead of accepting responsibility, Trenton doubles down, as if the world should just adjust to his timeline. This isn't just negligence, it's arrogance.
Not working for you.
Yeah, it works. They get the payment. Have you checked other payments? It'd be a lump sum that I pay when my money comes.
But it's not putting you ahead because you've got $13,000 worth of arrearages. It'd be one thing if you were going to pay us $13,000, but I doubt it. You're going to just
and nobody have control when my contractor pays me except for him. You all do not control when my contractor pays me.
Listen to me, Mr. Phelps.
The jokes.
You have control to get a different job or to get a second job. if he's not paying you in such that you can take care of your bills, you need to move on, because child support is not going to accept 18 years of this.
My son, 12 years old. Y'all, well, I guess
Okay,
y'all be seeing me until he's 18. Then y'all gonna grow with us then.
No, we're not
Because
going to
y'all
see
have
you.
no control on when I
going.
get.
This is a critical moment. The judge makes it crystal clear. Child support isn't a casual arrangement you squeeze in when it's convenient. It's an enforceable legal obligation that lasts as long as your child needs you. Yet Trenton casually laughs it off, saying, well, I guess y'all are stuck with me until he's 18. That's not just tone deaf, it's reckless. Because while he jokes, the reality is that the court has a very real power he can't laugh away. Jail.
I pay a lump sum.
Okay, Mr. Phelps,
You can
I'm
check
not
the
going to
payments.
argue with you. We
When
are
I
going
get paid,
to go
I pay
ahead
a lump
and
sum. You can
issue
check the
a
payments.
warrant
Y'all
for
don't
your
control.
arrest.
Holy
And
jokes.
you can handle it between you and the jail. And then state
It don't
court will
matter.
do
You
your
only
trial.
taking from my child. Plain and simple. You don't control when I
Okay.
get paid. I
Okay.
get paid from my contractor. When my
Okay.
contractor pays me,
I
you
am
get a
going
lump
to
sum.
count this as a refusal to pay, and a arrest warrant shall issue. Okay, and that's the way that will be handled, because we're not going to go through this for the next, what, 6 years.
Thank you.
Okay, so do you have that, Miss Lanier, and Miss Barrett? Are you able to come in and sign?
And there it is, the breaking point. After endless excuses, the judge drops the hammer and issues a warrant for Trenton's arrest. This is where fantasy meets reality. No more delays, no more shifting blame. The court is done playing games. For anyone watching who thinks they can outsmart child support orders, take note. The law always has a final say, and once a warrant is issued, your freedom isn't a guarantee anymore.
All I say, it's just with me, it's just not consistent. That's the only thing. Like little payments. It's the month of Christmas. I don't even got my phone on right now because I'm sacrificing. I have bills, like everything is pending. Like I literally sacrifice. I have other children as well, and their father
Miss Barrett, you don't have to explain. You're doing the right thing. I mean, bills need to be paid on time. So when you're raising a child.
And then I constantly keep getting disrespected, and I don't even ask. It took me 10 years to finally do a child abandonment. That's because my son is older, he's bigger. It's life. We got to take care of the kids. I don't ask him for much. We don't even talk on the phone. My child age, I just let my son talk to him and go on, but I do appreciate it.
Okay, so you know where to go for the warrant?
No, ma'am. Where would I?
Okay, I'm going to have Miss Lanier give that to you in the chat. And, so we'll go ahead and move that forward. Okay? I'm sorry, but have a Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Okay?
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
All
okay.
Right. Bye.
Both of you are